Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2007 Nissan Navara STX dual cab ute, stock reference number 5106. This shape runs from the 12th month 2006 through to the 5th month 2010. It has a YD25 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic 4-wheel drive transmission. YD25 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have the left front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left rear door appears to have no damage. Left rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Factory fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets and loom. And a right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the power window master switch, twin switch type, non-central lock type. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, automatic centre console, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.